everybody, so we're going to be doing a quick unboxing for some Collin's tools as well as Dewalt from Amazon, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're going to start real quick on the unboxing with the Dewalt 20 volt Max Lithium Ion XR brushless router. Again, this is model number DCW600B, Dog Charlie Whiskey 600 Bravo. I am a little irritated that they put the stupid shipping label on the front of the box. They could have put it right here on the back of the box where it says ship to and it has a label square. Why they did that, I don't know. Amazon could have even done better and put this inside of a small box. Put the shipping label on that, because I had to destroy a portion of the box just to see the serial number, barcode, and everything, the model information here, this little catch code. But specs: brushless motor, maximizes runtime and durability, soft start variable speed motor with electronic brake, dual LEDs and clear sub base, adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes for within 1/64th or 0.40 millimeters. It's a 4-inch base, variable speed from 16,000 to 25,500 RPMs. Tool weight: tool only is 3.4 pounds. Collet is a 1/4 inch collet or 6.4 millimeter collet. What's included is the DCW600B compact router and wrench, or DCW600 compact router and the wrench. That's all it says. So let's get this open real quick. Okay. You have your instruction booklet as well as the wrench. Router. Move the instruction book and the wrench, or we'll put the packaging back in here. The wrench is, it looks like it says 17, so it's 17 millimeter. Here is the router. Speed control is up here on the front. Come on. It's a little snug. There it goes. In order, I'll leave a card up here for Clint's channel, Tool Review Zone, as well as I'll put up here as well his video on this. You have to buy the guide, the dust extractor, and everything that I know of separate. And I think, if I remember correctly, he did a video on that and he explained that. Here is a 4 amp hour. Power is on the side. It's got an immediate stop to it. It's pretty heavy. It's not as thin. It's not as thin as the rigid, from what I can tell. Sure, if I start using it quite a bit, it will get a lot smoother. It's starting to loosen up. The chuck button right here to lock the chuck is right here on the side. I'm going to quickly open the other package, which is this guy right here. Oh, it doesn't come in the box like it showed on Amazon. Does have everything included in it though. Coping crown molding gives you a what looks like a very old piece of paper. It's kind of yellow. Coping foot, which gives you little tutorials and information on how you can coat baseboards and matte crown molding. So that's pretty nice. This is a little sheet for Festool 300, Bosch 470, Dewalt 317, and Dewalt 31 jigsaws. I do know this will work. This will work on the Milwaukee Fuel 2737B-20. I have the D-handle version of that saw. Jigsaw, but I'm going to be installing this on the barrel grip style when I get it in the mail. So I'm going to put this back in the bag for now. So another spacer. This is made by Collin's Tool Company. It's a coping foot. It will come in handy for the things that I'm going to be getting into when it comes to woodworking. Previous video I showed the skill router bits, as well as compact sub base and a few others. Here's the compact sub base. So I should be able to unscrew this plate that comes on the Dewalt, put this one on there. But just a quick little unboxing video. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time. I don't have anything bigger than a 4 amp hour when it comes to the 20 volt batteries. I do have flex volt batteries and, you know, a 2 amp hour. The majority of the batteries I have are Milwaukee batteries. But I do have 4 flex volts. I'm not really sure that you'd even want to put even the smallest flex volt, which is a 6 amp hour. I don't think you'd want to put it on here. I'm sure it would work. I'd make it kind of heavy. It makes it a lot taller. It does make it a lot heavier. Actually, I'm gonna get the scale. Let's weigh it. Okay, so the scale is on. So we're going to weigh it with a 6 amp hour flex volt, which is a 2 amp hour. 5 pounds, 11.1 ounces. That's with a flex volt battery on it. With the 4 amp hour, it is 4 pounds, 12.3 ounces. So it is a significant weight difference between the 4 and this flex volt. And bare tool with no attachments other than what came on it. It is 3 pounds, 6.8 ounces. Which, if I remember correctly, it said it was 3 pounds, 4 ounces. It's 3.4 pounds, so it's technically should be 3 pounds, 4.0 ounces. It's actually a little heavier than what the box says, which is kind of typical. And then I'll just plug the flexible battery back on it, and I'll turn it on. I do like the immediate break. It still shows 5 pounds, 11.2 ounces with the flex volt battery. That's just the flex volt battery I have. Let's weigh it with the 2. Here's a 2. Probably wouldn't last very long with a 2, but it is 4 pounds, 3.1 ounces, so if you didn't want it to be extremely heavy, you could use the 2. I'm assuming the 2 would not last very long on this tool, especially under load, but you could if you wanted to. I am going to need to pick up some more of these batteries. These are the battery style that I like. I do not like the new battery style. You know, a 3 amp hour in the new style is like this long for some reason. I like the knurling on the sides right here. We just push the button and pull. I overall like these style Dewalt batteries better. But I do need to pick up some more Dewalt batteries, so I will do that probably soon. I use the flex volts for everything because majority of my Dewalt tools are flex volt tools. But thank you guys so much for watching. These batteries will get what I need to do done. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.